Today, this is a continuation in my previous lecture for class 1. Our subject is mathematics. Now, what I have taught till now, I am going to give you some question for the practice. So, here I am writing the questions for practice. I just want to tell to the teachers and the parents that the mathematics is a subject where practice is must. So I have already taught the symbol, this symbol, and equal symbol. So now some question will be based on that. So I'm just giving the question 1. Question 1. Q means question. So here I'm writing the abbreviation. Q means question. The student should mention, should be informed that whenever Q I am writing means question in a short form. So the question 1 is fill in blanks with and before using I have also told you that this is 10 is the smaller number and the mouth which is open is the bigger number, and equal sign. A. For example, first I will give the example, then for example, I have just said that suppose this is the block having 3 numbers. 1 is 32, and 1 is 34. So, what is which number is greater? Just see. So, if students know the counting from 0 to 99, he will understand that 33 comes before 34. So 33 is less than 34. So he can put the sign this. Now, suppose a question is asked like this, and again make a block, 3 block. Here is 25, and here is again 25. So he should understand that 25 is equal to 25, so he should put the sign like this. So here I just given how we are going to use the greater sign and equal sign. Now by giving the question to be tested by the teachers to the student A. And also another important thing that ask the student to write ones and tens. It is very, very important. ones and tens. Then tens and ones. First ones right, then tens. So here it will also clear. Just say tens are equal. But as far as ones is concerned, he should know 4 is greater than 2. So it becomes easier to place the sign of greater than when you are writing ones and tens. So I'm giving another question for practice. Make a bigger block. So the student should write the big letters, big numbers. Again make 3. I'm putting here 34 and 35. Here it is ones, O and T. I will always refer O and T. So he should put the sign for that. And for practice. Just here. Again make 3 block. 61 and 60. For teacher, one should be very clear that how the greater sign should be used here and how greater sign should be used here. So you have to make ones O and T. O and T. When I say O means ones, T means tens. Then again third. Make again block. 3 block. First make 3 block. 79 and 80. O, T. O, T. And also I want to inform the audience that there are many books of class 1 for math where such type of the questions are given. Only you have to point out where should be greater or less, and he or she should practice so that in their mind it should be stuck what is the purpose of greater and equal. B. Again make 3 block. And first 95 O T O T. Now if OT is equal, T is equal, so whole number is equal. Both numbers are equal. This should be taught by the teachers to the students. Now, again make 3 block. 8, 8. Here it is O, here O. Again make 3 block. Now 17 and 17. O, T, O, T. Now it is clear? Then I am giving the other question, say question 2. Informing the students what is the smallest and largest, biggest and lowest. So first, I'll giving the question, circle smallest means lowest also. Number. Circle means the lowest number should have a circle, mark. Like that, as explained earlier, circle is like this. I am giving the example first. You can make more than 3-4 blocks and that much number. For example, I am making 4 blocks. Like this. Then I am making 11 first, then 9, then 18, and 2. Again write O, T, O, O, T, O. Now just see here. Always if there are 2 numbers OT and O, so smallest number will be the single digit. So there are 2 smallest number, 9 and 2. So you know very well 2 is lower than 9. So just make the circle for that. Now, I am giving the question A. Make again 4. You can make 5 also, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 9, 13, then 4, then 25. Again I will suggest O, T, O, O, T and O. This is a question. Now a student should circle the lowest number as I have explained here. The second question, again make 4 blocks. You can make a 5. There is no problem. Then 1, 2, 3, 5. Just say 65, then 59, then 34, then 70, then 10. So he should circle the smallest number. Again, ask the student to write O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T. Now here see, all 5 numbers, 1s and 10s. So the student should compare first T. T is the largest. For example here, 7 is T, it will not be lowest. 6, it not be lowest. 5, not lowest. 3 and 10. So you can make which one is the lowest. Now, then question is that circle the largest number, B. This can say you B also. Question 2. Here another question C. Circle the largest number. Kill the largest number. You have to be very careful that 0 and O is similar. So when you are writing O or circle, all different. So circle means biggest one, O means less than that, and 0 means smallest one. Now just see. I'm giving the example first. I am taking the, you can say the same number here. I'm taking the same number here. Just to explain. 11, 9, 18, and 2. Just say 2 is 1's O, 8 is O, this is O, this is O and T. So now very clearly you can see that the 18 is the largest one. Largest means biggest one also. So you can say that, remember, all these things should be mentioned in the beginning to the students. Largest and the biggest. Biggest is the same because it will be used at the appropriate. Now I am giving the question. What is the question? Just giving. Question, I say, question is, make a block of 4, then make this 2, 3, 4, then 9, 13, and 4, and 25. Now here again, same thing, O, OT, O, OT. So now the student should make which is the largest one. Then, again example I am giving. One, 2, 3, 4. Make block bigger. So to write for the class 1 students become easier. 65, 59, and 34, and 70. O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T. So he should circle the biggest number. So he should start comparing tens. See the 6, 5, 3, 7. So obviously the 7 is bigger than others. So it will be biggest number. So you ask the student to do, don't answer it. Now there are many questions for the practice. I have explained that there is a vertical column and the horizontal column. Two things I have already mentioned. So I am giving some example for that also. So here just another thing starts. Question 3. Fill in the blanks in blanks. Blanks, if there is one question, blank, there is more question, blanks. In vertical column. Just see. Vertical means from top to bottom. Put blanks here. Then 12. Blanks here. 14. So in this way, he should understand that before the 12, which number comes. So it should be in their mind. So the before 12, there is 11. So you should write 11. Before 14, what should come? So this is the only for practice. Another question. '71, '72. Then he should write what is coming after 72. So 73 and 74. Then again, put here blanks. Then 40, 41, put blanks. Now, fourth one. 80, 84. So he should know after 80 what the number coming, 81, 82, 83, 84, and it should be 85. I am correcting it, so it should be 85. So it is called the filling the blanks in the vertical column. That is very, very important. Then another question I am putting you, fill the blanks in the horizontal column. Question 4. Fill in blanks in horizontal column. अब देखिए यहां पर भी वही चीजें हैं, कोई वो नहीं है. A, I am making a 5 block. Blanks 12, then blanks 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you can also make another block of 5. Similarly, '40, 41, again don't miss to write O, T, O, T, O, O, and T. For convenience to the students, you can write here also O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T. In a horizontal, to write OT is simpler, but here you can also mention that on the top it is O and it is T. It is O and T. O and T. O and T. And B, just here put another 5 block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 71, 72. O, T. O, T. O, T. O, T. Then again, '80, 1, 2, 3, 4. 85. In the book, there are such questions, but they have not used ones and tens. Now, question 5. What is the meaning of between? So let us say, fill in the blanks. Fill in blanks. Between two numbers. Numbers and numerals is the same. Numbers oblique numerals. For example, I am giving A, make a block of 5. Now just say, since I have two numbers, just say, here it is 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So between two numbers means there will be one between, but two numbers means there is more than one number. So again I am giving another example. Write O, T. One thing I am tell you, the class 1 student is more obedient than the higher classes. If you say write OT, they will write OT in every question, in comparison to the higher classes. So this is where once he learns to write OT, it has a practice till 8th class. Now, another example I am giving you. $71, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. अब सपोज वो पूछने कि दो नंबर के बीच में बिटवीन कैसे लिखा जाएगा, वो एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन यहां पर मैं दे रहा हूं. इसमें केवल 3 बनाइए ब्लॉक, 3 ब्लॉक. Here write 21, here 23. So you can write 22. Then make another 3 blocks. 80 and 82. So the student should understand the meaning of filling the gaps. For example, just say here it is used for greater, but here you have to fill up the 21, 23. So after 21, 22 comes. Here 80, 81 comes. So in this lecture, I'll just thank you to proceed for the next lecture, for the next slide. Thank you very much.